Are you annoyed that your function keys don't work unless you press the Fn key every time? Here is a quick fix. On many laptops, the top row keys are set to media controls like volumes or brightness instead of F1, F2, F3. To make function keys your default, press the function plus escape key. In Excel, to edit a cell, keyboard shortcut is F2. But in my laptop, if I press F2 instead of editing the cell, it changes the volume. Same way, in Windows 10 and 11, if we want to rename any file or folder, we can press F2 key. But when I press F2 key, instead of renaming files or folder, it is changing the volume. Now to fix this issue, press once function key, press escape key. By pressing function key and escape key, we are toggling the function lock. Now without pressing Fn key, I can use F1, F2 keys. In Excel, if I click on a cell and now when I press F2 key, instead of changing the volume, it is allowing to edit the cell. Same with files and folder. When I press F2, instead of changing the volume, it is allowing to rename file or folder. The best thing is even after you restart your laptop, this function lock will remain the same. This settings may vary depending on your laptop model, but it works on most modern devices.